The BBC's flagship political debate programme had a reduced lineup after a Conservative MP got stuck on a train and missed the show. Liz Truss tweeted that she would be unable to make it to the studios in time owing to a trespasser on a railway line that had curtailed her service. "Very sorry not be able to make at BBC Question Time tonight. Stuck on a train due to a trespasser on the line. Was looking forward to talking about our budget, tax cuts and boost for business. Stuck on a train due to a trespasser on the line. Was looking forward to talking about our budget, tax cuts and boost for business." She added the hashtag pic.twitter.com/witsdisk. BBC Question Time at BBC Question Time, October 31, 2018. The show, airing on BBC One at 10:45 p.m., was being filmed in Clacton-on-Sea in Essex this week. The other panellists who made it safely to the recording include Kate Andrews, of the Institute of Economic Affairs, comedian Shappy Khorsandi, journalist Anne McElvoy and Labour MP Andy MacDonald. David Dimbleby has announced he will be quitting the show after 25 years in the presenter's chair.